Yes, okay. Next, let us take another one. Daya.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present about utilitarianism in hard times. Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible, sir?
Hi, yes, it is. Yeah, it is now visible. You can start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today's my topic is utilitarianism in hard times. Hard Times. Hard Times is a novel written by Charles Dickens, and it is a 10th novel by Dickens, and it was published in 1854. And the book surveys English society and satirizes the social and economical condition of the Victorian era. So first of all, what is utilitarianism? Utilitarianism is the philosophy that was propounded by Jeremy Bentham, and later it was developed by John Stuart Mill. And the main idea of this philosophy is regarded as the greatest happiness to the greatest number of people. Utilitarianism in hard times. Charles Dickens explored the system of utilitarianism in the field of industrialism and education. And Dickens tried to satirize this concept through his characters, their names, speeches, and treatment of the people. And Dickens wrote this novel to explore the negativism of utilitarian system which he lives at that time. And he gives image for criticizing the system so intensively. Here is the children of poor workers versus children of the rich people. Then next, in the field of education, utilitarianism in the field of education. So the novel begins with a very interesting line. That is, now what I want is fact. Teach these boys and girls nothing but facts. Plant nothing else and roots out anything else. So these words are spoken in a classroom in front of young children. So this is the first sentence in the novel. So reader gets a utilitarian way of thinking as soon as he or she started reading this novel. And in this utilitarian system, in the school, the children don't have name and they are called by their numbers. And utilitarianism leaves nothing up to the imagination. Everything is to be explained by the help of logic and by the help of facts. Wait a minute, sir. I think there are some network problems. Okay. The characters that represent utilitarianism system. The first character is Thomas Greg Green. Thomas Greg Green always gives importance to the fact and raises his children to be hard or to be machine-like. So even while justifying Louisa, her daughter, marriage to old Boundbury. So he does so by some mathematical calculation and by some logic. And another character is Josiah Boundbury. So Josiah Boundbury is also a self-interested and a very selfish person. And he was owner of the factory and owner of the mill and bank. So he marries to Louisa for the purpose of mathematically or selfish benefits. And another character is Tom Grandin. Tom Grandin is son of Thomas Grandin, and Tom Grandin is completely different example of this ideology of this utilitarianism. Under the roof of his parent, and he has no other choice than to obey his parents' wishes and to his parents' command. So it can be said that it is a perfect example of utilitarianism, because every action he commits out of his self interest or under her parents commands or obliges. So Tom stole money from the Boundaries factory. So his family member thought that it was stolen by Blackpool. But Blackpool is unpopular among his people, and he didn't really have a family. And of course, third, he was very poor. So it could be claimed that young Tom does live it up to the utilitarian standard as much as anyone, perhaps more than any one character of the novel. My slide is not moving. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, we can see you. We can listen you. Your slide is not changing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe in your PC there is a slow network, perhaps.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait a minute, sir. Let me share my screen again.
Yes, you can share it.
Yeah.
Are you sharing from slides, Google Slides, or PPT?
No, from
Power,
PPT, sir.
is it PowerPoint? PowerPoint presentation, is
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I am sharing from my mobile screen.
In Google Classroom also you have uploaded from PowerPoint, OneDrive. Upload it via Google
Yes.
Drive. Put it in Google Drive, and that link you share. Google Drive. Use Google Drive to store your all PPTs and other things.
Yes. Okay. The another point is utilitarianism in the field of industrialization. So Dickens has criticized the factory condition, and in the factory, children are working and they work hard for long hours for the little food. They become homeless. They become criminal, uneducated, and sometimes children become drug addicted. And in this novel, we see Bounderbury as a representative of rich people, and he was a factory owner, and he called his workers as a hands. The slides is not moving. Another is a Coketown. Coketown is a representation of industrial mill town, and it was a fictional town by Charles Dickens. And I have put very interesting lines of Coketown, but slides is not visible. Okay, I will read it from my mobile. That is, it was a town
I
of
am
bread.
sharing from here. I am sharing from here.
Okay,
And you
now it
can,
is visible, sir.
yeah, visible.
Okay, so
Is it
it
this
was a
slide?
town. Yes, sir. Yes. the Coke Town, it was a town of red brick or of brick that would have been red if the. So these are the representation of the industrial society. So the impracticality of overall happiness is clearly visualized in the description of the industrialization of town as an influence of utilitarianism. So this is this smoke that hovers around the town like serpents, and the machines town that work like made elephants are to show the meaningless participation of people in sense in productivity. Next slide, sir.
Next is
Yes, so
reference.
these are the references of my content. Yes, thank you, sir.
Now see, the best of that is the last one. Okay, John Stuart Mill's Utilitarian. That is one of the best resources. Others say first two are, I think, original texts that you are citing, and one is from the study material source. Okay. Yes. Questions here.
Hello, Daya.
Yes, yes, Janvi.
Hello. Daya, what is the
Yes,
significance
Janvi.
of Coketown in the novel Hard Times?
Okay, Coke Town is a fictional country by Charles Dickens, and it is a representation of industrial town. And Dickens depicts this industrial society in his fictional country, and it is said that the name of the town is produced by the name of coke, C-O-K-E, and coke means hard fuel. So this indicates that there is nothing more to the town that ceaseless industrial activity with all misery that is Charles Dickens has depicted in his novel.
Okay. Next one. Who is the next to ask?
Yes,
Bhumika.
Daya. Can you give the definition of utilitarianism?
Utilitarianism is one type of system that is propounded by Jeremy Bentham, and it consists of the greatness happiness of the people, or the happiness of the greatest number of the people.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next present.